Hello, my dear crafters. So today I'm going to open a card kit by Echo Park. I have never bought a card kit from them before. I think you've seen some of my unboxing of card kits by Spellbinders. But you know, I love Echo Park and I love their sentiments and I love their ephemera. I buy a lot of ephemera kits from them online, and I have the link below. And I just decided, okay, I'm gonna try one. And I looked online and I saw one that I liked and I bought it. So we're going to I bought this a few days ago. So I actually don't remember much. So we're going to do this together. This is the first time I ever buy their card kits, but I remember I fell in love with it. So okay, so they have a page here just showing you some ideas. I love when they do that. They give you some ideas of how to use the card kit. This one is called Here, There, Everywhere. So this is like inspiration, so they give you some ideas, so that's fantastic. Oh, look at that. I don't think this was part of it. I'm not sure. I don't think so, but look at that. Beautiful washi tape full of flowers. I love washi tape. So that's nice. So let's open. I think they put it in as a thank you or something because I don't remember. I'm not sure, honestly. Let me see if here, because I bought it a while ago. So it doesn't really say here. I'm sure there will be something. Oh my goodness, look at this. I'm gonna get this out of the box because this box is kind of overwhelming. So let me get rid of it. So okay, so let's look at the paper pad first. So I'll put this aside and then I'll show you one by one. I remember that I loved it because of the flowers. So this is the 6x6. It comes a paper pad. There are double-sided papers, which I love because most of the times when you get a 6x6, it's not double-sided. So it's, let me see if it's open, or do I need to open something here? Yes. So here it is. Don't worry, I will have a link below if you're interested in this. I'm not sure if you can still buy it because sometimes they have like a date. But this is very flowery. It has 24 double-sided paper. Let me just quickly flip through it. So this is kind of a, so double-sided, some flowers. Let me do it this way because I think it will be easier for you. So there you are. Oh, you have some cars here. Flowers. Trying to hold this the best way. Oh, I love these flowers here. So there, let me show you. Just gonna go one by one. Oh, these are some bees with flowers. Some, as you can see, some cameras. Ugh, I'm having a hard time flipping through this. So there you go. More flowers, beautiful. Oh, good, they have cut aparts. I love when they have that because that really helps making cards, makes it easier. So they have some square ones, little ones. Some more. So these are great. I love when it comes with some kind of ephemera type cut aparts. So you can use those for your cards. And then it starts again. So yeah, so just give you an idea here. So 20. It's quite thick, I have to say. Usually these are quite flimsy from other brands, but this one is very thick. It's almost cardstock. And we have some Here, There, Everywhere ephemera, some die cuts. Let me show what comes in it, because it always shows on the back. So these are basically more like frames. Let me just open them up here and so that you can see. Let me zoom in for you because I think it's too far. There you go. Just give you an idea of what comes It's a lot of ephemera. These are great for card making. Boxes, you guys know that I love boxes. So these are some frames and some cut aparts, like scalloped, a lot of sentiments, life is good, you're just my type. I like that one. So there, very, very nice. Yeah, so lots. Let me see how many. It says here 34. So these are the cut aparts, the ephemera. It also comes with these beautiful matching animal dots, beautiful colors, look at that, love it. Chipboard, let me look at the chipboard. So they all match, of course, it's the same patterns and same designs. A lot of them, let me see if it says how many here, but a lot. Just look at that. I'm just gonna walk you through chipboard accents. I use these on my like mini albums and cards a lot, more than on or not cards but boxes, more than on cards. Let's look at the last item, which is the paper. And what I loved about this paper is that, let me show you, it also comes with some cut aparts and some stickers. And these are very thick stickers here. So pretty much, as you can see here, they all match, and that's the great thing about getting a card kit, because everything will match. So these are all stickers. I don't even know how many, but there are so many stickers here. Look at that. It's a 12 by 12 sheet of stickers. That's one, right? And I like that it comes with some ready-made sentiment strips here that you can use on your cards. And now let me just show you the paper. So it's very much like the 6 by 6. Look at that, except that bigger. Beautiful paper. So let me just flip through some of the pages here. Some bigger cut aparts like this. Now I'm gonna have to zoom out because I want you to see the whole sheet, okay? So there's another one with the cars. Remember that one? So this one has some flowers, more different, it's the same except smaller. But then look at this, beautiful cut aparts, just little squares, all double-sided, and this is very thick cardstock, and I love these flowers with the bees. So these are very, very thick. And they're actually textured too, so that's fine. That's really nice. So look at that, more cut aparts. Here's another one with the camera. Some stripes. The other side is some flowers. And the last, no, not the last one, you still have two. So this one, some flowers, more cut apart. I love that it comes with all these. They'll be great for my boxes. Look at that. Fantastic. I am very happy with this kit. No wonder I fell in love with it. So it's called Here, There, and Everywhere by Echo Park. So I'm just gonna put some of these ephemera here just so you have an idea of what comes in the kit. Lots of ephemera, and yeah, I'm sure this is part of the kit for sure. It was just separate from it. But there you are. I hope you liked my unboxing. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.